Well, being that we have an extra room here, we don't get a chance very often to let our babies out, Sierra and Jasper. So they're having a lot. If I can get them here. Hey, come here. Hey. Jasper. All right, Sierra, get away. Hi, Jasper. So they're having a lot of fun. Oops. 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 Hi. Where you guys going? Oh, they went underneath the dresser. Oh.
There's Jasper.
See, she's, oh, there she comes. Hey. Yeah, they're having a lot of fun. That's Sierra.
Yeah. That's Jasper.
And this is Jasper. They like to get up and in the windows and look out, and Jasper's trying to get up here.
No, that's Sierra.
This is Sierra?
No, that's Sierra.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's Jasper right there. He's trying to jump up on me. What's the matter, Jasper?
Trying to figure out how to get up on that.
Come here, boy. Come here. The only bad thing about actually owning them, it's not the female, it's the male, is he smells like a skunk. You could swear you have a skunk under your house or in your house, or he's behind the curtain here. Jasper! Hey! But all in all, these prairie dogs make very, very good pets. Hi, buddy. That's Jasper. I heard that they don't mate in captivity, so we did have them in the cage, and we separated them later on because I figure, you know, he gets in a bad mood sometimes, like especially when he's like around his rut time, and when he's rutting, nobody can get near him. And when he ruts, that means that he's having, you know, a really, really bad day. He will bite you. He will claw at you. He'll chatter his teeth. But he's such a sweetheart when he's not rutting. He really is. He's the most lovablest little guy. She's good until you start to put her back in her cage. Then she has an attitude.
Trying to climb up on my leg.
Put him up there on the...
Come here, Jazz. Come here, Jazz. Come here, Jazz. Okay, there you go.
And he loves it. Oh, there's Cheyenne. Oh, look at Cheyenne. Cheyenne wants to play with Jasper. Look at Cheyenne. What's the matter there, Cheyenne? Is that your playmate? Where'd he go? See, Jasper wants to play. Cheyenne! Jasper wants to play.
She coming back?
What are you doing down by my foot?
Waiting on your pajamas.
Okay. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of my prairie dogs here.